Volunteers arrived early at the Church of New Beginnings this past Saturday morning, April 3rd, 2010. The day was filled with excitement and expectation. Parents and children arrived early in anticipation of the pre-advertised special event. Within minutes, all expectations were fulfilled as the bright red helicopter, loaded with candy and treats, appeared in the sky. Afterwards, the crowd assembled inside the Church of New Beginnings, located at 3220 North Alexander Drive, to watch the special Easter drama and to find out who would be the winners of the $100 cash prize, as well as the Nintendo Wii.
Did anybody happen to find a cute, big-headed, little-bodied, stuffed little lamb?
I got it.
I told you that you had it.
Come right up here, buddy. Come right up here. Come here, my man. Come right up here. Stand right up here with me. What is your name? Everybody sit down, guys. Y'all sit down. What is your name? Tell all them. Edwin. Edwin, are you glad that you came here today?
Yes.
Would you be even happier if I gave you $100? Well, there you go. So $100. Oh, the last number is 7. Thomas Henson. Thomas Henson. Come right on up here. Hey, Dad. Do you want to play a Wii? Do you want to play a Wii? Yeah? Where'd she go? She's busy. Do you want to play a Wii? Yeah? Well, guess what? That's yours to take home and play. Y'all go hook it up and have a fun Easter. Decision of their life, or getting married, or having children is the biggest. You're making the biggest decision of your life right now. You're making a decision to say, Jesus, live in my heart and be the Lord of my life and forgive me of my sins.
The event was organized by Children's Church pastor Kim Edwards and her husband, youth pastor Doug Edwards, and was by all accounts a great success.